Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Chalk. Today we're going to draw a shark and we're going to use number 4 to help us with the basic shape. The first thing we're going to need is a pencil and we're going to need a marker as well. So first take your pencil and we're going to draw a number 4. So we can start off right here like this. And you're going to draw a 4 like so. This would be the 4. And now from here, we're going to draw the nose of our shark. So we're going to draw something like this, and you're going to return the line like that. So now that we have the basic nose shape of the shark, I want you to draw an eye. So we're going to draw a mycutetoons eye. So there we go, a big eye. All right. And then from there, we're going to draw a line in there as well, a smaller line, and again, light reflections, 2 big light reflections as well. And now from here, we're going to draw a curvy line above the eye that goes around like that. You're with me? Good. And now you take the top of the 4, and we're going to actually draw the top fin of the shark. So it's going to go down like this, and just follow me. You just go on the outside of this line, maybe to there, and then from here you can maybe draw a little nose like that, like this. See, you don't follow the lines exactly, you just have some guidelines. And now from here we're going to draw a big smile like this. There we go. And you're going to make a little line like that as well. So that's great. That's absolutely great. And now for the bottom jaw. About here, you're going to start and you're going to just draw a little line out like that. Good. And you're going to just continue with this line. Continue with it. Continue with it. And then you're going to go up and you're maybe going to make a turn like that. Something like this. Perfect. And now again for the top fin. So we're going to go around. You see here's the 4. Just outside the 4 you're going to go around and you're going to just return it like this. And maybe just draw the tail like that. That's perfect. Good. And now what I want you to do, you see this line of number 4? Just lightly bring it down to the bottom. Good. And from here, I think just go about this distance from there. And we're going to actually draw the fins. So we're going to draw these 2 pectoral fins. I think that's what they call them. I'm not sure. Then you're going to draw something like this. See? And then you're going to draw another one. You're going to make an outward curved line. And then you're going to return it like that. Good. And from here you're just going to connect the lines like that. So there is a dorsal fin. Great. I think that's perfect. Then the top of the 4. You're going to make a faint line and you're going to go back. And then we're actually going to draw the tail fin or whatever it's called. So you're going to draw a line up like that. Maybe draw a bit of a line like so. Yeah, with a curve in. And you're going to go down. And then from this side you're going to draw it again, but a bit shorter. This is longer and this one is going to be a bit shorter. And you're going to connect it like that. Good. And that's the basic shape of our shark. That was easy, wasn't it? And now from here we're going to use our pencil and we're just going to draw some marks there. That is so our shark can breathe. And then from here we can maybe actually draw something for the belly. Maybe a different color. And you can just a nice curvy line, yeah. And you just connect it like so. Yeah, and I think that's our shark. What do you think? I think it looks perfect. Next up, it's the marker. So now, carefully, we're gonna draw the lines. So maybe let's start here at the bottom. And remember, if you made any mistakes and you want to make things a bit rounder, do it with your marker now, because we're going to erase the pencil lines in any case. So here we go. There we go, up, over, and like this. Yeah, perfect. And then we're gonna just follow the lines through. Good. And then from here, you see I don't like this shape, so what I will do, I will just make a mark. I will go down and I will just go a bit under that line. Good. And from here I will the top fin, and then I will just bring it down like this, and we're going to take this mark of the eye, yeah, and we're going to, there we go, and we're going to complete the mouth like this. And then from here the lower jaw, and we're going to go down and we're going to connect that. That's absolutely perfect. And now for the fin, we're just going to bring it all around, up, over, there we go. And on this side we're going to do exactly the same thing. And now from here, for the belly, we're going to draw a line out all the way, make it nice and with a light curve in it. There we go, perfect. Let me just make that nice, there we go. And now for the gills. One, so you see I make it a bit bigger now. Two, there we go, perfect. And there's the gills. And from here we can maybe just make a little mark in like so. Good. And now for the big beautiful eye. So we're gonna, you see I make mine a bit bigger, and then from here I'm gonna bring it over like so, and then from here I'm gonna make a light reflection, another light reflection, and what are we gonna do? We're coloring it in. Careful not to go over the lines, stay within them, yeah, good. And there's the eye. So there's our little shark. So now what we can do, we can actually go and we can erase these lines as well. Yeah, good. And we can erase this one and the outside ones, and you can take your time. So maybe it's better if you use your marker, just give your picture a few minutes so the ink of the marker can get dry, and then thereafter you can actually just clean everything beautifully. So yeah, there we go, perfect. So this shark looks amazing. So what you can do now, you can take your markers, your crayons or your pencils, and you can color this shark in, and you can make a beautiful picture. It was a pleasure drawing with you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.